Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix video sound not working on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just check the speakers of your iPhone and check if they are blocked by any dust or debris. Now after that, just press the volume up button and increase the volume of your iPhone. You can either press the volume up button to increase the volume on your iPhone, or you can swipe down from the top right of the screen, and from here you can increase the volume on your iPhone. Now after that, just open settings, then go to sounds and haptics. And from here, just make sure that your iPhone is not on silent mode. If your iPhone is on silent mode, just disable this toggle and disable silent mode on your iPhone. Now, if you cannot hear sounds while you're watching videos in your Photos app, just open your Photos app, then open any video. And from here, just make sure that your video is not on mute. If your video is on mute, just tap on the speaker icon to turn off mute. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now after that, just open settings, then go to general. Now from here you will find the option of VPN and device management. Just tap on it, and from here if you have any VPN enabled on your iPhone, just turn it off. Now after you turn off VPN, just go back. Now in your main settings page, just go to general, then tap on software update. And from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now after you update the software of your iPhone, and if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have enabled a setting on your iPhone which might be causing this issue. Now to fix this issue, just open settings, then go to general. Now from here, you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on reset. Once you tap on reset, a pop-up menu will appear on the screen. Now from this menu, just select reset all settings. Now just select reset all settings. Now once you do that, you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone, it will only reset all the settings of your iPhone. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the speakers on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix video sound not working problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.